Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. You need to press and hold that empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. Here it is, click on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application. So open HONOR AI Space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. And firstly, you can check it right here. You have the information about the left and right earbuds and also a charging case, or you can tap on it and check it right here. It's the same information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.